The term FAR has traditionally stood for Federal Aviation Regulations, and you'll still see it used in many aviation publications and discussions. But there's a catch. FAR also stands for Federal Acquisition Regulations, which are something completely different. So to avoid confusion, the FAA now prefers we refer to aviation regulations using their official title, Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, or 14 CFR for short. So instead of saying FAR Part 91.3, you'll hear it referenced as 14 CFR Part 91, Section 3. Federal aviation regulations cover a wide range of rules and procedures, but there are a few key sections that every pilot should know. For example, 14 CFR Part 1 provides definitions and abbreviations for commonly used aviation terms. One useful definition is for the word night, which is defined as the time between the end of evening civil twilight and the beginning of morning civil twilight. Information published in the American Air Almanac and converted to local time. This definition matters when logging night flight time. Next, 14 CFR Part 61 covers certification requirements for pilots, flight instructors, and ground instructors. It lays out everything from how to get your certificates and ratings to the privileges and limitations that come with them. Then there's 14 CFR Part 91. This one's essential. It contains the general operating and flight rules for operating aircraft within the United States. Finally, it's important to know that the National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, has its own set of regulations. These are listed in NTSB Part 830, and they explain how and when to report aircraft accidents and incidents. Learn all you need to know by checking out flylingo.com and come fly with us today at Venture West Flight School.